Hello guys. So we're just finished to visit the safari park. Oh my god, so many animals over here, and it's so nice because you can do also with your own car to do visiting the animals. So actually we are here in Pombia Safari Park, and we have it's look like a garden land also. Yeah, this is the area for eating and area for going to toilet, and also there is also place wheel over here, and there's also all the shop over here. There is also a photo shop, photo to stamp your photo, to print your photo. Look, there you go. There's also a Campejo camping area, swimming pool, Ferris wheel, and what else? Roller coaster. It's so nice. Are you enjoying? My baby also enjoying.